Hi students, welcome to today's online class. Today we are going to learn about next operators that are increment and decrement operators and conditional operators. What is increment and decrement? In general, increment means value is adding and decrement means what? The value is deducting. Here increment operator means it increments the operand by 1. Operand means what? Here the value of variable will be increased by 1. For decrement operator, the value of the operand, the same variable value will be decreased by 1. Whatever the value may be, it increments means it increases the value by 1. Decrements means it decreases the value by 1. Here you can see. What is the operator? A plus plus. What is the action? We call it as post increment. What is meant by post and what is meant by pre? Post means what? After it is increasing. After taking the value of A, it is increasing. Here plus plus A means what? Pre increment. First it increments the value and after it takes the A value. The same with the decrement. Post decrement. A minus minus means what? First the value of A is taken, after that it decreases the value by 1. Whereas minus minus A means what? First it decreases the value by 1, then after it takes the value. Now let us see program for this pre and post increment. Here this is header file, right? Void main, the same syntax we are following here for writing the program for pre and post increment. Here we are declaring the variable A is equal to 10. The value of A is 10, and also we have taken a variable of integer type Z. Okay, what here it is given Z is equal to plus plus A. Just now we learned plus plus A means what? It is pre-increment. First the value of A will be incremented, then after the value of A will be printed. Means taken means what? It is printing. So what will be the output for this? For this, the output will be here A is equal to A plus 1. What is the value first? A is equal to 10, right? So 10 plus 1. A is equal to 11, but here we are having Z is equal to A plus plus. Means what? The value of Z will be 11. When we are executing printf function, the value of Z will be printed as what? 11. Okay. Then after, the value of A will be printed. What is the value of A? It is also 11. Output for this is what? 11 for this printf statement and 11 for this printf statement. If we see post increment, in post increment the value of A will be printed first. So here what will be the output of this printf statement? We are printing Z value. Post increment, first after printing Z value only, here A is equal to 10, right? So A is equal to 10 means it takes a value as 10, Z is equal to 10 means 10 only it prints first. Then after A plus plus means it increases the value by 1. So here 10 plus 1. Here it is A is equal to A plus 1 means what? Here you will get A value as what? A plus plus means what? 11 we will get here. Observe the difference here. First it is in pre-increment, it is increasing the value, then after it is performing the operations. Whereas in post-increment, it performing the operation first, then after it is incrementing the value by 1. Now, the same program, let us say with the pre and decrement. Now, the same program, the statement which is changed here is, can you observe it? So this is the only statement changed here. So this is the only statement changed when compared with the previous one. Okay. Now, decrement means what? Decreasing the value by 1. Here a is equal to 10. Z is equal to minus a. Means what? First it decreases the value by 1. Then after it prints the value of a. So what will be the output for this? First we will get the value as 9. Okay. We will get value 9. Then after z is equal to minus a. Minus a means what? First it is incrementing, first it is decrementing, then after it is printing, right? So the value of a will be 9 only. Here also what we will get? We will get as 9 for this. The same with z is equal to a minus. Printf is equal to, first it is post decrement. First it, afterwards it is decreasing the value. So first it prints the value of a as 10. Okay. Then after it decreases the value. So output what you will get? 10, 9. The output for this you will get as 10 and 9. So this is about pre and post decrement and increment operations. In the next we will see conditional operator. You can see here what is conditional operator. Conditional operator is also called as ternary operator. The other name of conditional operator is what? Ternary operator. The syntax for ternary operator is expression 1, expression 2 and expression 3. Here 3 expressions will be there in a conditional operator. So it can also be represented in if else form. Means first if expression 1, first if expression 1 is true, then expression 2 will be evaluated. Means it is taken. The value, this value is taken. Otherwise expression 3 value will be taken. In the same way in if else program, if expression 1 is true, then expression 2 will be taken. Else means what? Otherwise. Else expression 3 will be evaluated. Let us see a program for this conditional operator. If we see a program for conditional operator, here I have taken z as an integer type, data type, whereas z is equal to 5 greater than 3. Here this is the first expression, this is the second expression, this is the third expression. So if 5 greater than 3, is it true 5 greater than 3? Yes, if it is true, then the second expression 2 will be evaluated. Means my output will be 1. If it is true, my output will be 1, means second expression. Otherwise my output will be 0, that is third expression. So same I am printing the value printf percentage d z. Depending on this expression, the z value will be getting here, right? So if this condition is false, it will take the third expression, that is expression 3. If it is true, it takes the expression 2. This is a sample program for conditional operator. So this is about increment and decrement operators and conditional operators. So once again I am explaining the programs. You can observe here. What will be the output for this? It is first it increases the value by 1. Okay, means the value of A is 10. Then after it increases the value by 1 means what? The value will be 11. So z is equal to 11. After that I am printing the A value. So if z is equal to A is equal to 11 means what? I will get the A value as 11 only. So here we will get output. For this is 11 and 11. Whereas for a post increment, we will get output as a first 10 value will be taken in A value. So z is equal to A. First this operation is performed. So the value for this printf statement is what? 10. After that it increases, means increment. So after that, post means what? After that, pre means what? Before that. So what is the output here? 10 and 11. The same with post and pre decrement. So here the value is 10 initially. So first it is decrement operation, decrement and operation, right? So first it is decreasing. 10 will be 9 here. So first z value is 9. After that we are printing that value of A. So if z is equal to A is equal to 9. So A value will also be 9. Similarly in post decrement, here z is equal to A. Z is equal to A means what? 10. First the value will be taken, then after it is decrement. So z is equal to 10, then after the value of A is what? 9. Right? So this is about conditional and increment and decrement operators. In the next class we will see the next two operations. Thank you for the day. So go through all the topic which I have covered now.